Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What are we doing today? We're at 100 yards. We got the Winchester Hog Specials with Power Points, 123 grain. We're going to do a quick group shooting through an 18-inch barrel, 100 yards, and then we're going to do a little bit of expansion. We got a good chunk of clay. We're going to go through, got a 3/4 inch board, then the water behind it catching in the denim, and seeing what we got going on with that. And that is what we're using for today. That's what's on the menu. So y'all stay tuned and see how this thing smashes up. Alright, here we go for the expansion part of this test, or demonstration. Alright, here we go. Smack the clay. Got a good hole in the board. Yeah, we got a shattered bullet, but we got the bulk of it right here. Yeah, we broke up, stuck in the first pair of jeans. We'll get this back and look at that and the target, and we'll go from there. Alright, here we go. 7.62 by 3.9. These are the Power Points, Hog Specials. And at 100 yards, this is a group that we're looking at right here. Got a flyer. That was the first shot. If you throw the flyer in, we got 1.8 roughly, yeah, 1.79. But if you take that flyer out, being the first shot possible, you're looking at the rest of the group is just over an inch, 1.14. But yeah, that's for 7.62 at 100 yards. That's definitely good. Definitely got to go up and over just a little bit. But that is it on the group. Let's take a look at that expansion now. Alright, here we go on the expansion. We got at 100 yards, 7.62 by 3.9, the Power Points, hitting the big chunk of clay, hard clay. I mean, it's still soft, but dense clay. Getting the expansion, hitting the board, which we got a good smack on the board right there. That is a good hole going through. And then on top of that, we hit the water jug, caught in the denim, yada yada yada. And here's what we have left afterwards. Not a bad bullet right there. That's what we started out with. So went from that to that at 100 yards. It's pretty good. Expansion going on here. Look at that. 6.4 going 6.4, 6.5. There we go. 6.5 out of 6.5, and then we got out of from 0.3. So doubling in size easily. These are 123 grain. Let's see what we got out of the loss on those. Out of 123, we got 93.2, so lost 30 grain. It's not too bad, 25%. That is a really good bullet right there. I mean, that's 100 yards. Nice grouping and nice expansion and retention. There you go. Thanks for watching.